who's Italian, I'm not going to speak Italian on camera, is making these really fantastic tassels.
Okay, cool.
And I think he's going to start one right now. So he's choosing some of these studs. Okay, so the holes are already pre-punched, and he's putting a pin in the back. Wow, they're so beautiful, they're teeny weeny little studs. Wow, look at that! That looks seriously classy. Okay, so it looks like he's preparing the loop now. Whoa, he stapled it! Wow! Okay, we've got some serious glue going on. Well, I'm just going to cut whilst I ask in Italian what it is. So we're sticking this sort of mega glue, and when I asked him what it was, he said glue. And I said, what type of glue? He said, professional glue. But I've just had a sniff of it. Woo! It's smelling a bit kind of Evo sticky to me. Okay, he's blowing on it now. I guess to make it go off. So this is a real Christian Louboutin tassel. We're lucky. Right, it's carefully rolling it now. Apprentice for your whole life.
Yeah, I'm more because of the materials and tests. So it's quite a delicate process. For the process sometimes it's quite difficult even for us here. It's difficult to find people to work in the cover because
Oh, it's lovely, bellissimo.
It is, but people.
Wow, so look at that. Beautiful. Posso. Yeah.